Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to delete app cache files on iPhone. Tap on Settings, tap on General, iPhone Storage, and open the app you want to clear cache for. For example, I want to clear cache for Instagram, so I'm gonna opening Instagram. And as you can see, here is no option to clear cache files for any software. To clear app cache, we need to delete the app. So tap on delete and delete app. Once it's deleted, go to App Store and search for the app here, and you need to reinstall the app from App Store. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.